Hey, what's up, Austin? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips that you can actually apply to your website so you can actually get on that first page of Google and really draw those leads that are coming in. And the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. While I got your site pulled up, everything that you see is content. Even these images behind here, they all have content behind it as well. You got a bunch of numbers. You can actually switch that out, put a more buyer's intent keywords back there. That's going to help with your ranking so you can get on that first page. And also bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words on that first page. So you can layer in those keywords, and those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how you're actually being found. Kind of give you an idea here. If I type in handyman Sacramento, this is what you're going to see. You got this little map section here at the very top. Some people call it a 3-pack because of all the top 3 businesses get all the traffic. You can see all the different businesses, but this Google My Business or GMB, whatever you want to call it, to get to the very top, you're going to be dealing with citations. What citations are just online directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So ideally what you'd want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously want to go out and outrank them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times more citations than what they have. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you at the very top inside this listing here. Underneath this GMB, we have all that organic traffic that happens right here on that first page of Google. And to get your website found right here, you're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure that you're found for them keywords that you need to be found for, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from multiple different websites linking back to your website that's just really pushing power to it. So you can get on that first page of Google and really draw those leads in. Kind of give you an idea here. Not all backlinks are created equal. I took your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Looks like it's pretty new. Nothing really happened to it yet. But this is honestly handyman. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs, one of your competitors up there. I'm gonna do a quick overview. So he's got 38 referring domains, pushing back just under 10,000 backlinks. And you can see this guy started this thing back in 2018 and just really started doing a lot of backlinking right in there. 193 keywords he's being found for, which is pushing back 170 clicks to his website every month. Coming in, seeing where those clicks are coming from. There we go. All right, so here's this keywords, what he's ranking for. Here's the amount of volume coming from each keyword, and also his position, and also the traffic that's coming from each keyword as well. So he has his name there at the top, which he's getting about 100 clicks just from his name. Handyman Sacramento, there's 300 clicks a month just from that one keyword. He's 5th position. He's getting about 17 clicks. Ideally, you should be about 15 to 20% of whatever keyword you're actually going after, and 300 should have a little bit more clicks than that, but he is only 5th position. Honestly, Handyman, Sacramento Handyman, another 150 clicks. Handyman Services, Sacramento, CA, another 150 clicks. So ideally coming in and finding all these keywords that's going to help you bring more and more traffic to your site. Then also, obviously you want to make sure you do enough backlinking so you can get on that first page of Google and bring in those leads that's coming off there. But anyway, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. I look forward to chatting with you soon. Bye.